going to church with my friend Pam. I really love my hair. Oh my gosh. Just look at this. My god, I love my hair. Feeling taas na guho. Anyway, my dream is to have a long and straight hair, but well, and I love the color. See? Katangtang mo na lang siya. Us-us siya. Kay, sigong paniyampo. Ako sigligo eh. Hasol kay tanan kay. Kinahanglan pang i-dryer kaya maog ka niya. Init ko tanan sila. Sa anit. Taste ganda. Pero, I really love this. That's why I have to admire this one. And I have to appreciate my hair sa kay. I think, matangtang na siya. I love my hair, oh my gosh.